Hi guys, welcome to my channel Microtech, where we discuss latest technologies in the software industry today. As we have seen in the curtain raiser video, the last one in the playlist is on selecting the right cloud access security broker. In this video, we will review 6 areas you can use to compare CASBs and also learn about the questions that you should really ask vendors before you make a call. So without any further ado, let us dive right into it. Cloud access security brokers are relatively new technology. Products differ widely in capabilities. In this video, we highlight factors you should use to compare CASBs and select the one that best fits your organization. Every cloud application is different, so some work is really required to fully integrate a CASB with each new one. You should look at a CASB vendor's catalog of applications to determine if your current and planned cloud applications are on that list. Assess the odds that the next application you want to monitor will be included in that. Also understand the vendor's process for supporting the new applications. Discuss your special application related requirements with the CASB vendor. For example, if you are going to put internally developed applications in a private cloud, you find out if the vendor's practices for integrating your homegrown applications with their CASB is supported or not. So how granular are the security controls in the CASB? So factors to consider include adaptive access control. Can the CASB make access decisions based on multiple criteria, including users, devices, user roles, IP addresses, and locations? Can compliance policies be enforced based on criteria like confidential information in the files and status of the endpoint accessing the application? Are data sharing controls available to ensure files and documents that are being shared with external parties appropriately? Can alerts be generated based on a wide range of security incidents and policy? So one of the highest priorities for security teams today is identifying advanced targeted threats before they can damage the enterprise. So CASBs contribute to this effort by detecting anomalous behaviors and clues about cyber criminals who are constantly probing and manipulating cloud applications. So ask CASB vendors about their heuristics engine and alerting capabilities. For example, how many variables are used to define normal usage? Can anomalies be detected at various levels, such as the entire company or within the groups or individuals within the company? Can alerts be customized per user or per group? Example, based on behaviors outside of the norm for the CEO or for the finance department? How does the vendor fine tune the heuristics and continue to improve the heuristics engine? All these matter a lot. As we have seen in the video 6, there are trade-offs between deployment modes. Most importantly, API mode can be implemented quickly, requires absolutely no changes to infrastructure, and can enforce governance policies for the data at rest, but it has limited ability to enforce security policies for data in motion. For proxy mode puts the CASB in line for access control and real-time policy enforcement, but it requires a lot of configuration changes on the network, devices, and endpoints. Reverse proxy mode provides access control and real-time policy enforcement and works with unmanaged devices, but can affect application functionality if it is not implemented properly by the CASB vendor. Some organizations may find a CASB with one deployment mode that meets their needs. However, most enterprises are better served by a CASB that offers a hybrid architecture, combining API mode with at least one of the proxy modes. Throughout this video playlist, we have described how CASBs can be integrated with existing security solutions. However, CASBs differ widely in the type and the number of integrations they offer. Should look for integrations that add to the access control capabilities of the CASB. Example, determine if endpoints are managed and in compliance with the policies. Protect documents throughout their life cycle. Examples like do they use encryption and information rights management. Extended security policies and procedures to the cloud. Example, can they enforce current DLP and compliance rules with the CASB? Provide existing security tools with insights into activities. Examples include can they share log data and alerts with the corporate CM systems. Today, cyber criminals Activists and state-sponsored hackers are constantly devising new techniques to attack cloud applications and cloud application users. To keep up, a CASB vendor must monitor the web for new attackers, determine their tactics, techniques, and procedures, and devise new detection methods to counter these threats. Ask vendors about their intelligence center or research lab, how it is staffed, and how do its experts work with the product developers to build intelligence into the CASB. Talk to reference customers. Has the CASB vendor been a good partner, an extension of the customer security operations center? Does their intelligence center look for anomalous behaviors in the customer's environment and accept queries about cloud application threats? Does the vendor provide regular assessment and recommendations on how to update the policies and strengthen data protection? Coming to the final thoughts, there is no question the cloud-based applications multiply the challenges faced by enterprise security teams. They lose visibility into the applications and lose control over the device and behaviors. They risk fragmenting their security solutions into separate cloud and on-prem based silos. Most enterprises are very close to a crossover point where security will fall hopelessly behind current threats unless they find a way to extend visibility, threat protection, and policy enforcement to cloud applications. Cloud access security brokers are an innovative response to these challenges. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you have found this playlist an informative introduction to the topic, and we will explore how a CASB can be used in your environment. In the next video, I will try to get a couple of implementations in the industry today. I did not plan this video at all, but I thought we had looked into the theoretical aspects of a CASB, so why not look at an actual implementation of the technology? So till then, have a nice time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.